welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and it's Fanika TV. So yes guys, today is a little bit kind of like we're gonna get some rain, so I'm not going to be cooking anything too too much. As you know, I'm cooking outside, so we're just gonna be taking our I'm just gonna be cooking some mackerel pasta for me and my family. So yes guys, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm asking you guys, please subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever. So yeah guys, these are the things that I'm going to be using. Cut up with frankfurter, with peppers, and we have onions, and we have our two grace mackerel. So that's what we're going to be using to make our one pot. So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Today I'm going to be using Getty's spaghetti. Yeah, nice spaghetti. I think I paid like 200 or something dollar fee. 100% sure. But you know, it's as you can see, my macro pasta, it's an economic friendly type of dinner. You're not broke your saving pan just to make yourself just to make your family something nice, right? And something that you may find in a restaurant. So we'll put it in the pot. We're going to put the spaghetti in salted water. Salted water. All them getting that. We no want none for we. Salted water. Some more in it. No, remember. Because that's the remember. I want me to do something else. I got bucket put in my pot. And cover it up, guys. Make it cook. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to Fanika TV if you are not already subscribed, guys. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Also, watch my videos because I'm getting subscribers, but most of you guys aren't watching the video. Please watch the videos, watch them all to the end. I make sure say watch time up. So see guys, I have a lot of spaghetti left and I can use it to make something else, because I even have a piece of chicken out of what I cooked yesterday. If you watched my yesterday video, because I'm going to be posting videos every day, even though the video that I posted that I did for yesterday, it end up posting today because it was giving some technical difficulty when we even didn't know about, because we never understand why the video wasn't uploading. I thought it was because of my internet and through the weather and then through the earthquake and everything. Many things say that's why we never did get get the internet right, but it wasn't that, it was something else. Is mackerel finish cook, but mackerel with pasta finish and it's soft with spaghetti finish cook. So we're gonna start we'll put with the pot with the oil, company fire. So let's go. So yeah guys, I'm going to be adding my season them, make them go on, fry. Adding my franklin as well and my pepper. Then go and fry, just stir fry them. Smell nice. Very, very beautiful and simple, easy meal. Not too expensive, easy. We're gonna add in our grace mackerel. I don't know, I'm not sure if only the grace mackerel have this on the top, but it's very convenient. You know, very, very convenient. See how easy you can just pull your mackerel, right? Ooh. Add in. Yeah. Let's add in another one. See, 2 minutes and a fingernail takes me out. Whoa! Yeah. Okay, guys, take good time. Add in. Some of them mackerel, that one have two, the other one have. This have three. We're gonna mash it out, guys. We're gonna mash them out. Thing go to waste, so we're gonna add some water. Add some water. Other one too. And then, guys, we'll add some jerk season, some Jamaican regular jerk season. Not add too much, just to kind of bring up the spice a little. Nothing too much. I'll mix it around. So yeah, guys, we're gonna add in our pasta. So we are gonna cover it up. Cover it up. Make it go on. I don't know why my phone now want show red. Cause this red when me I look on it, it smells good. But I don't know why the red not showing on my. Okay, guys. You see? Why not show the red color? Already it showing, but it show a different color. Guys, this is my mackerel pasta. Smells really good. I'm gonna taste it. So you guys, I'm gonna taste the mackerel pasta. Pepper. We put too much pepper in it, but it's fine. It tastes nice. Definitely something that I would make again. Ooh. We're gonna fall outside, guys, so I feel it on my veranda. YouTube told me not chef. It's nice. Sorry, somebody never put more in it. So you guys, we've come to the end of the video. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit that post notification bell so that we can continue to give you great content. Bye, guys.